Hi guys, I got a package today. It's from a trade. I think this is btob. I traded my Hyunshik card for btob leader. I'm not gonna even try to pronounce his name right now because I'll murder it and butcher his name, so that's not nice. Here it is. Let's see. Here's the card. Came in a sleeve like this. Hey, okay. There it is. Oh, he's so cute. I really like his card too, so thank you for the trade. And here's the sleeve. That was let's see if I can open it with one hand without tearing it apart, because I don't want to cut up this video. Wait a second. Okay. I opened it, sorry. It says, "Hey Ashay, OMG, once again, thank you so much for trading my Eunkwang card for your Hyunshik. I've been looking for Hyunshik's card everywhere and people to trade it with me. I thought I was never going to get him, but thanks to you, I'm finally getting Hyunshik. I'm really huge fan of videos, so my goal is to collect all their photocards. Thank you again." Oh, thank you for the trade as well. Eunkwang is not like my number one buy, it's Ilhoon, but he's one of my favorites and I've been trying to get this card of him. So, thank you, I really like this card. And, oh, what is this? Oh, this is cute. I want to do this without destroying the package. Yeah. Because it's really cute. Oh. Here it is. The puppy. Thank you for the extras, by the way. Let me see. I like him. He's one of my favorites. Super genius. Not my bias, my friend's bias, but yes. And, oh my gosh. Look at this. Back in the days. Oh, this is cute. And this is cute too. Thank you so much for the trade. I hope you enjoy Hyunshik's card. Oh my gosh, I keep on butchering their names. Anyway, so bye. Thank you for the trade.